Okay, so this is Billy's bike, Project 300. We're getting close now. We're at 280 horsepower, but we're still leaning out at the top end. So I've upped the fuel pressure, and I'm hoping the next run will give us a little bit closer. So if you want to have a quick look around the bike, you see what it's all about, see the detail of it. This is our plenum chamber, 90mm throttle body. That's right, 90mm throttle body, 4 injector, 22 pounds of boost, running on 20% E85 and super unleaded mix. So she's a street bike. She's not a race bike, no extended wheelbase, no changes, no air shifter, nothing like that. This guy's going to run it on the road. It comes around here, you see we've got the intercooler. People think that is a radiator, but it's not, it's an intercooler. It's a very efficient intercooler. Oil cooler for the supercharger. Much bigger oil cooler for the engine, so we can keep temperature range in check. Air filter, supercharger, oil lines from the supercharger up to the oil cooler and back to the oil tank, which is built into our CNC machined outer case. The drive for the supercharger is off the top of the chain, so it means that the supercharger rotates the right direction. So we're going this way, 30mm wide GTX tooth belt, running this baby up to 100,000 RPM and giving us a 22 pounder boost. So we're not far off, and if I can get enough fuel at the top end today, I'll be happy camper and have a pint on Billy next week. So here we go. Okay, so we're still running light on fuel at the top end, and we're going to have to put some bigger injectors in, which is a real shame. I wanted to get the job finished today, but it's going to be Monday now, if we can get the bigger injectors in for Monday. As you can see, horsepower, 3,000 revs, she's got 100 horsepower. 4,500 revs, she's got 200 horsepower. And up at 6, she's got 280, but then we're running out of fuel, so she's leaning out and losing us horsepower at the top end. Torque, looking at 251 pounder torque at peak, which is at 5.7. I think there's a bit more to be had here. I think we're losing a bit just here, and we're certainly losing some at the top end, so there's a bit more fine tuning to go on. As you can see down here, 21 pounds of boost on that run. Really linear boost increase from like that. We're running positive boost from idle as soon as we get on the throttle. If I come down here and whoops, yeah, look at that. We've got 2.5 pounder boost as soon as you get on the throttle. 160 foot-pounder torque at 2.5. 250 foot-pounder torque at 5,000 revs. That'll pull a few tree stumps down. Should be fun to ride on the street. Watch this space. More to be had yet. More to be had yet. And it's 32 degrees C today, which is fucking hot. And I'm losing weight, yeah. So, in fact, it's 26 degrees picked up as air temperature, which is pretty good. Out there it's over that, but in here it's 26 degrees with the fans blowing. So not ideal for performance, but she's staying together, which is a good thing. Right, so this was Billy's bike when he came into us back in November 2018. his stock bike with his exhaust fitted, and a couple of other mods made 90 horsepower, 109 foot-pound of torque. And now we're at 180 horsepower, 251 pound of torque. 251 foot-pound of torque. Pretty damned amazing, really.